cough syrup, Coflin Linctus and Expectorant. They are both cough syrup, but they work differently depending on the type of cough you have. This is Coflin Linctus. It works as a cough suppressant. It is used for dry and irritating cough. It helps reduce the hot cough when the throat is dry. It is used when you are coughing but there is no mucus or anything coming out, like it's used for dry cough. The other hand, Coflin Expectorant is used for chesty or productive cough. It's losing mucus in the throat and making it easier to cough out. So this Coflin Expectorant is used for wet cough, like when you cough something is coming out. It's used for wet or productive cough. So in summary, use Coflin Linctus for dry cough and use Coflin Expectorant for chesty or wet cough. Thanks for watching.